got so I cannot. That the increase in the commas. Original no be part of it. You know be clear for your memory. But then now we are
Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are officially, this is gonna be my get ready with me vacation prep vlog. Today is currently November 22nd, 10 a.m. on November 22nd. I leave for my first trip. I'm not gonna tell you where yet. Today we're starting maintenance. I have work right now, so I have work at 11. Like I said, it's 10:02, 10:04ish. It's 10:04. So I'm gonna head to the shop first, and then today on the agenda is nails, eyebrows, and feet. So I'm getting those 3 things done today, and yeah, I'll hit you guys back up when I get to the nail salon. But guys, so last time we spoke, I told you that I was going to get my nails done, and I fear Peter ate down. Yeah, I look extra cute today because I am hosting a group class and I'm going out later. So, but look, let's get into the nails. Do you see the fucking material? I don't get it. They're a little dry, but the material, friend, take me through there. My hair and my lashes is the only thing I have to do after my wax. So yeah, I got my toes done too, but cold. Yeah, so this is the official vlog. Travel with me. I did a little prep in the beginning, but I'm gonna get into it now. We're about to go to the airport shortly. It is Thanksgiving day, well, evening. It's Thanksgiving evening. It's currently 5:35 p.m. We're packed up, we're ready. Our flight is at 10 p.m. but we need to check bags and all of that, and I'm not playing because it's Thanksgiving. We need to get out. We need to get out this jam. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna hit you guys back up when we get to the airport or on the way there. Bye. So we are at the airport. We at Starbucks. I want a little breakfast sandwich, but yeah. So you guys, I literally just landed in Dubai, but bro, that was the craziest ride of my life. Literally, so I was the window seat, and then there was a guy in between me, and then there was a guy on the out seat. The guy on the out seat got shit-faced, like shit-faced. It was to the point, like literally, he was throwing his lunch on the floor. Like the flight crew had to pick up his lunch. So there's rice and chicken all over the floor. Every time he tried to stand up, he would fall in the guy next to me's lap. It was just OD. Eventually, they finally took his bottle, and they was like, "Oh, like you can't board the next flight." But when I tell you 12 hours of that shit, 12 hours. I'm like, oh, what the fuck? And then in the last hour, the guy next to me, I fell asleep, and then when I woke up, the guy next to me, he wound up switching his seat. I'm like, well, damn, you might as well just stuck it out at that point. But yeah, nah, that shit was crazy. That was crazy. So we just freshened up and everything, and we're just waiting for the plane. I think flight time is at 9:55, and this is our last hurrah. Bali. I'm waiting for my bags right now, but the driver is outside. So girl, I should have solo traveled. You know how this group is. The boy left mommy's suitcase on the plane. So now two bags. Every plane he left something. Every plane he left something on the suitcase. No, for real. So now they're telling her that it's gonna take another 2 hours for the luggage to come. So mommy's gonna have to leave her luggage. It's mad shit going on. I should have solo traveled. To everybody. This is our driver for the time we're in Bali. What's his name? Say hi, Putu. Hi. Hello. Putu. We made it, y'all. This looks like avocado right here. Look at the pineapple. This right here?
Oh.
Yeah, so that we're trying to get some food. We're at the supermarket right now and some licks. So thank you. So chat, we did make it to the villa. We've been here for a little minute, just getting settled in and everything. I gave the girls and the boys their goodie bags as a little thank you for coming with me, or you know, coming out for my birthday. But yeah, so we're about to chill by the pool, maybe order some food and vibe. But yeah, cheers to day one in Bali, cause who you know. Wait. Wait. Bows and W's in the chat.
W.
So you guys, it's the first full day in Bali. Yesterday, what did we wind up doing? We wound up just chilling by the pool and then going out for dinner, and then we was beat. So new day, new shit going on. But yeah, it's like, it's mad early. It's 5:43 a.m.
Green right now. You want green banana?
My vlog. Bow. First full day. The mountains are in the back. This is a fire. Hey guys, so as you just seen, the guy is about to be finished setting up my flower pot. So I'm about to just do like a little quick light beat. I'm about to just get ready. But look, let me show you the bathing suit that I'm wearing. It matches the pool match. This is the blue skirt.
Oh, that's nice. Wow.
Do my makeup real quick and get into some things.
I like the fruits. I think from here. Okay, sorry.
You can stop it.
Yep.
Oh.
I've been wondering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take
you guys, I just got my dress tied. I'm doing the Bali swing right now. I'm waiting on one. There's kind of a queue. After this, we're gonna go to the koi fish pond, which is right in the same vicinity, so it works out perfectly. But yeah, we outside.
One, two, three, now.
So Chad last night did me in. Bitches is in Bali. This is day, I don't even know. This is the second full day, but day 3. I put up 4 fingers. I'm still drunk. But yeah, the chef came today and we're having breakfast. Later on, we're going to do the monkey forest and rock it again, but I need to recover. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna hit you guys back up. Actually, I'm gonna show you the food because that's what they're doing right now. Terima kasih. No, I want to take a video of the food. Did you call them? So you guys, we just made it to the monkey forest. Wow. This is the views. Hey Putu.
Hi, Iyanna.
Yes.
I will come to Okay,
oh, thank you.
Ticket, and then when you finish,
for everybody?
Yeah, for everybody.
So I was self-guided. Okay. So where you gonna be?
When you finish.
Right. Cause they look. He turned around. I was trying to get their attention. Not at all.
I was like, I will pay for it, but I'm here.
They get down. Oh, look at them. Oh, shit. They about to get it on. Okay. It's too much. It's too much. Yeah. Yo.
That is the fight.
They was He jacked her water, opened it, and drunk it. He's on that.
Yes.
In the restaurant.
In the restaurant, this music.
Yes.
Long life and have a great holiday.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. We're gonna see.
So you guys, it's my birthday and we're right now at the Holy Temple and we're doing the purification ceremony. Say hi to my vlog. I'll look behind you. Hi. When we come back. Yeah. Hi to my vlog.
Welcome. Hi vlog.
Hey vlog.
I finally got posted. Yeah.
So yesterday, after we left the monkey forest, we wound up going to the market. After the market, we wound up going to like this really nice restaurant. It was super cute to bring in my Bali birthday because it's not my birthday at home yet. And yeah, we're at the Holy Temple today, right now, and I'm gonna hit you guys back up when we finish up. Impul is the spring.
This is the Holy Spring Water Temple.
Okay.
Another public temple we have in Bali have the holy water. Okay, we find on a story created by God. Okay. Created by God. It's long time ago. Okay. More than less around 4,000 years ago. But this temple have the under construction from another kingdom in Bali because we have the holy water created by God. Another kingdom constructed this temple on 960 AD. 960 AD. Okay. More than less 100
AD.
AD. Okay. More than less 1,140 years old. This temple.
Okay. So they just put on the sarong. You have to wear the sarong so you respect the temple. It's a holy place. So yeah, the sarong is cute though. I just feel like boom, boom. So you guys, today I'm surprised you didn't remind me.
I know.
So you guys, today we're doing the elephant sanctuary. We're seeing the elephants. Last night we rocked it. I don't even know where I left off in the vlog, but I think I might have left off at the purification ceremony, which was the first thing. We went to the spa after that, and then these are villas. That's fire.
29 room in total.
That's fire.
Oh my gosh. So does the elephants come up to the villa?
The elephant.
Oh wow, that's cute. That is actually cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it's giving.
Maybe we can see them. People walk the elephant.
Oh, I don't want to make them this last one. No, they facing the other way. Hi.
When you go to walk the elephant, you can scrubbing, you can brush down. That's the elephant.
Look at that baby. Oh no, that's they. Oh, it's two of them. Huey.
Oh, look at them. They holding the stick together.
Oh yes, I want to see the baby.
Oh my God. Don't make me video.
It's moving. Hey vlog. Last time we spoke to you, we was at the Elephant Sanctuary. Right now we are currently at Luna Beach Club. What are we doing? Oh, we went to the market and did like some souvenir shopping.
I'm about to go on some water slides.
Yeah.
Your star.
Rizzy in the chat. Oh, okay.
Yo, what's up, chat?
Now. W's in the chat.
Yeah, headphones.
Bitches in Bali. Now.
Yeah, check out the place.
Go ahead. Go check. Listen. Leave all your valuables here.
Your headphones. Second time they came Hold on, wait. I can't get
I'm gonna say what is it? I was everybody because like, damn, y'all was commenting on some shit I'm doing.
No, I didn't comment on it.
Yes, so this is our last full day in Bali. Right? Yeah, it's really small. So for the last day, we have to wake up mad early. First of all, recap. Last night was amazing. We went to Luna Beach Club. I'm gonna insert some clips. We had a ball. Came back, went to the crib, packed up our stuff because we had to check out of a hotel. Our villa today and check into a new one. But we had to wake up at like 6 a.m. The chef came, so she made us breakfast. And now we're on a boat tour headed to like Nusa Penida. So I'm super excited. We're supposed to be like snorkeling, swimming with the manta rays. Like it's supposed to be a thing. So let me show y'all what it's. I'm scared. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna hit you guys back up when we get to our meeting point. But bye. Where is it? What is it? Oh, it's Australian. Australia is right off across from here. Like that's why there's mad Australians.
Bro, I want to go down.
Yeah, you go all the way down.
You can get air dry. Oh, you want to go down?
Yeah.
Everybody want to go down. Shit is hot. Yes!
Ooh, this is beautiful.
So you guys, thank you for watching my Bali vlog. But right now, we are currently in a different country, so there's gonna be a whole separate video about that. We have just arrived yesterday. And yeah, this is
Now we can live where I never sleep. I carry God so I cannot.